Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to the Train Expert channel on this very cold Thursday, December the 12th, 2024. We got an OC&T grain hopper train. Let's roll it and check this out. Chris is standing. It's a long one. And there's the end. There's the end of the OC&T 42M. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, heads south to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. We'll be going there in just a bit. On this Tuesday, on this very cold on this very cold Thursday, December the 12th, 2024, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Pretty good. What is this all about here? I guess I might have to leave the camera on for just a minute. I want to see the engines go by again. I was thinking there's a stoppage again. I'll see a little bit of this before we turn here, That's pretty good, Crossing the bridge, so. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train I'll be heading over to the Run Farm station, and we'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you later.